Hopefully everybody had a good Thanksgiving break. We had family here in town. But after they left on Saturday, I took the opportunity to start working on getting ready to do some backcountry hiking, something I did as a kid. Haven't done in a while, but very much want to get back out in the backcountry by myself. So one of the things I need is an emergency survival kit. And the goal here is to survive long enough to get help and to also maybe summon help, not to reestablish civilization. So this is a very bare bones, ultralight kit. It's got a little Leatherman in it, a Mylar blanket, some 2x2 gauze, a little patch of Moleskin, some Band-Aids, some cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly as a fire starting aid, a 4-yard long Stretch Gauze, which is sort of the Swiss Army knife of first aid devices, a bunch of water purification tablets so I can purify up to 6 liters of water, a little micro LED, some waterproof matches that'll burn even submerged, a little signaling mirror and a whistle to summon help, a 6-foot roll of gaffer's tape that I basically took off of a big roll and rolled into a small roll so it'll fit, a bunch of really basic drugs. I've got some Benadryl, or the generic equivalent that comes in the first aid kit refill packs, a little generic ibuprofen, some sterilizing wipes, and then like some triple antibiotic ointment. And then the whole thing is in a chemical weapon warfare box that my father got Army surplus when we built these in the Boy Scouts back when I was a kid. So this box actually has been used this for a long time. It's a high impact plastic rigid box. I don't think it was ever used to store the stuff that it was intended for, or if it was always in sealed packs, so it's a perfectly safe box. It's rigid, so it can be used as a water vessel if it needs to be, and I don't have to worry about the contents being crushed. So here, at the end here, I'm just wrapping the cord around it. All in, it's about 3 by 2.5 by 4 inches, which will fit nicely in a lens slot in my bag if I need to, or because it's rigid, it can go on the outside of one of the squishy pockets. And it weighs just over 10 ounces, 10 1/8 ounces. So just slightly more than half a pound. Pretty lightweight given what's inside of it. And every item in there serves a very specific purpose in the case of an emergency. They're all designed to help me self-rescue. So if I forgot something, let me know. And if you have your own kit, feel free to comment and let me know what you've put in it. Talk to you later.